Hey guys, welcome back to the Smartphone Lifestyle channel where I show you how to make money with affiliate marketing. So don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the future tips and tricks. Now today what I'm going to do is show you how to find low competition keywords for YouTube. But first things first, you need a few tools. So let's dig into it, okay? First tool you're going to need is called Keywords Everywhere. It's a Chrome or Firefox app. And it's about 10 bucks, depending on how many keywords you would like to use. Okay, I mean, for 10 bucks, I got 100,000 credits. It'll last you months. Okay, so get that. You need it. Trust me. I'm going to show you why. Second is called Tubebuddy, and I'll show you how this works as well, in just a second. Okay, so first thing you want to do is start with YouTube search for title ideas. Okay, so go to YouTube. I've saved some time for us, so making sense of affiliate marketing. Okay, so you want to make sense of affiliate marketing. You kind of just search in the Google search here, and it gives you ideas. But let me show you what Keywords Everywhere does. Okay, 480 searches per month. Competition 0.1. It's super low. There's zero competition for this. So, guys, and I'm going to show you something else here. Or I'm going to use this, but just for example purposes. So affiliate marketing. So if you do that, what else shows up here? Sorry, it's a little slow when I'm recording. So affiliate marketing for beginners, step by step, without a website. You just get ideas of what keywords you can use. Affiliate marketing in Canada. I'm curious, since I'm in Canada. Oh, would you look at that? I'm probably going to use that. But for this video, let's get into something else here. Okay, so making sense of affiliate marketing. Now what I'm using is Tubebuddy. Okay, what this does is that it shows you the weight of your title, okay, and the keywords to make sure to see if it's a good fit for your channel. So let's analyze it. Okay, so making sense of affiliate marketing, it's fair. What you want to be is around here. Okay, the search volume is fantastic. What you want to do, make sense of affiliate marketing in 2020. Let's see what that does. That's where you want to be. 44 or more, it rhymes. That's what's got to be, okay? 44 or more, guys. That's fantastic. The competition is super low. Optimization strength is super high. The volume is good because our keyword is making sense of affiliate marketing. We're just adding in 2020. You understand? So, guys, this is fantastic. So next, what you want to do, a few tips when you start your video. My video is going to be right now is how to find low competition keywords for YouTube. So what you want to do is say your keyword in your video, just like I just did. And you want to use your main keyword in your title. Okay, you have 100 characters, so use them strategically. And I'm going to get into it right now, actually. I'm going to show you something else I use. It's not mandatory, but it simplifies things. Okay, it's called morning fame. Oops. Keyword research. See, I like using this because it's cool. So making sense of affiliate marketing. What this does is it optimizes your listing. It shows you common keywords, great choices for larger channels. Now I'm a small channel. I would go to these keywords where I have a better chance at ranking my video with these things, okay? So next, you want to go to search. Search and evaluate your target search terms. So let's see how this works here. Okay. So making sense of the field marketing. The relevance score is a B in 2020. There you go. Relevance score of, see, a D is not bad. I'm a small channel, remember? So let's see what it says when I do this here. Okay. So yeah, it's good. So making sense of affiliate marketing in 2020. So what I do is this here. Something like that. Actually, it doesn't like that. See what I mean? What this does here? Now what's important is your description. I always have a pre-made description that I just copy and paste, and I just fix things up. So we go to my channel, actually. Sorry about this, guys. It's a little slow here. So SEO is super important, guys, when it comes to your videos. That's how you rank everything, okay? So I just need to grab my description here to show you how this works. Oh, my computer's about to fly away here. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. Okay, I got my description. You put it in here. Notice nothing's happening here, okay? What you want to do is put your keywords there. Boom, look at that. So you put your title and your main keywords here. And what I would do is bold this, like make it in capitals. So making sense of affiliate marketing. Maybe we'd remove that. You get the idea, okay? And you want that again. What you want to do is put it down here once more. And you want to put your video link here as well, okay? So just quickly, so how this works, you put your title up here, so it ranks you up higher, more relevant score, okay? And then you offer a few things that you think would benefit your audience, okay? I put subscribe to my channel, join my Facebook community. Here's where you have to do some SEO, okay? So you're looking to make sense of affiliate marketing. It can be a very complicated subject if you don't know where to start. Now what I would do is I would make a few more paragraphs here and putting this keyword in inside of this giant machine here, okay? So guys, this is how you do SEO mostly. And then you have keywords. It tells you the exact keywords you should use for your channel, which is great. 4%. More suggestions here. Making sense of visible quantum. Jeez, what is this? It doesn't always give you good tags, guys. Making sense of the 60s. Not what we're looking for. Not at all. That's the gist of it. Next here. So relevant hashtags. Well, speaking of hashtags, in your description, you also want to put some hashtags at the bottom, some relevant hashtags, 3. So affiliate marketing, making money online, whatever is relevant to your keywords, okay? Next, you want to strategically add them to outside your description, as we did. Oh yes, this is very important here. What you want to do is name your video after your keywords. Same goes for your thumbnail. So it would be how to find low competition keywords for YouTube for both. So that's pretty much the gist of it, guys. One last tip here, which will skyrocket your ranking, okay? What you want to do is create a playlist, okay? Let's see if I can show you here. So I click here. So I have a few playlists. I got YouTube tips, YouTube hacks and YouTube tricks, I guess. And affiliate marketing for beginners, Facebook tips, Facebook hacks, etc. What you want to do is classify your videos into these playlists. So the Facebook video that I made a few days ago will go here. And this playlist has a description. And what that does, it tells YouTube what your videos are about, hence giving you more traffic. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.